listening at all. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Mount grocery bag dispenser. You know all those plastic grocery bags you keep in an overstuffed drawer? Well, no more. This dispenser can hold up to 30 bags and keeps them handy for reuse. Just tuck bags through the top opening like this. When you need to use one, pull it out of the wide dispensing slot. It mounts to the wall or inside a cabinet with screws or adhesive tape. Time to declutter.
More people are leading healthier, active lifestyles. Our kids are playing more sports, more families are hitting the great outdoors, and more of us are running, doing yoga, hitting the gym, and engaging in extreme sports. The result? A constant battle against odor. At home, in the car, and on the go. What we do to combat odor is anything but healthy. In fact, there's an increasing body of evidence that we are poisoning ourselves. Many of the sprays, gels, plug, and clip-on devices that only mask odor contain dangerous chemical compounds. Fed up with this, the creators of Remedies went to work to create a safe, effective, and non-toxic solution to everyday odors. On a mission to outsmart smell, we needed to eliminate odor at the source, and at every source, we found moisture. The active ingredient in Remedies is dual action. It helps to remove the moisture that often harbors the bacteria and fungus that produce odor, and it captures the organic compounds that we perceive as odor. Watch as Remedies, in as little as an hour and a half, eliminates the odor-harboring moisture. Remedies' active ingredient is non-toxic activated carbon and lasts up to a year. It works great in shoes, boots, skates and cleats, helmets, gym bags, boxing gloves, hockey gear, luggage, storage bins, lockers, cars, boats and RVs, in your hamper, any place around the home you have odor, just place a Remedies and let it go to work. Smart, safe, and amazingly effective. Remedies. Outsmart
yourself. Have you ever really loved your desk? I mean, really? Why are office desks today? Well, pretty much the same as they've always been. It's just four legs holding up a piece of wood. It's time to completely redesign the office desk. Something entirely new, something really exciting, something extremely smart. Meet Taylor, the world's first ergonomic desk powered by artificial intelligence. Taylor senses your presence and automatically raises to your preferred standing height, giving you a healthier way to work.
Hey, Taylor.
Good morning, Richard.
Talk to Taylor as you would to a person, and she'll communicate with you using speech recognition technology, making her the ultimate personal assistant.
You have a call scheduled with Dave.
Thanks. Dave, hey, how you doing?
Hey, did you get the new artwork?
You have a message from Olivia.
Play it back, please.
Hey, I'm going to swing by the office.
Taylor can place food orders, even remembering your favorite meals.
It's almost lunchtime. Can I place an order?
How about the chicken Caesar salad?
No problem.
Taylor can also play your favorite playlists via HD speakers.
Hey, Taylor, can you play the new album?
Sure.
I really love the way this came out.
Taylor can connect with your health and fitness devices, tracking stats such as how far you've walked in a given day.
Walking a quarter mile so far, and standing up for 4 hours.
Wow.
Want to sit down?
Sure, thanks.
Taylor is the world's first smart office automation system. She can interact with your lights, thermostat, and many other devices.
Can you bring down the temperature?
No problem.
Can you lower the lights?
Of course.
Taylor's innovative, forward-thinking design will not only revolutionize the way you work, but also serve as an amazing piece of modern furniture, becoming a true centerpiece of any office. The ergonomic cut allows you to rest your arms while working, and USB chargers are included for all your devices. The built-in wireless charger lets you effortlessly charge your phone's battery. The height adjustments are smooth and silent. The memory pad remembers all your favorite height settings, and the bag hanger keeps your possessions close at hand. Taylor is going to greatly improve the way you work and redefine the office environment.
Taylor, can you call a cab?
The driver will arrive in 3 minutes.
Perfect.
Have a good night.
Good night.
We think Taylor will help a lot of people be more productive and healthier at work. It's time to rework work.